CIN, a large-scale roast chicken factory. The process begins when live chickens arrive from certified poultry farms and are first inspected for health and quality. They are then humanely slaughtered following strict food safety and animal welfare standards. After slaughter, the chickens move through an automated line where feathers are removed using hot water scalding and mechanical pluckers. The birds are then thoroughly cleaned, and internal organs are carefully removed during the evisceration stage, with edible parts separated for other food products. Next, the chickens are washed multiple times with purified water to remove any remaining impurities and bacteria. After cleaning, they are graded by size and weight using machines to ensure uniform cooking. The chickens are then seasoned or marinated, depending on the brand, using large rotating drums or injection systems that evenly distribute spices, oils, and flavor solutions deep into the meat. Once marinated, the chickens move into massive industrial rotisserie or convection ovens, where they are slowly roasted at controlled temperatures to ensure even cooking, juicy texture, and crispy skin. Advanced sensors monitor heat and time to prevent undercooking or burning. After roasting, the chickens are rapidly cooled to maintain freshness and food safety. Finally, they are packaged using automated sealing machines, labeled with dates and batch numbers, and sent to cold storage before being distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, and fast food chains, allowing millions of roast chickens to be cooked and delivered every single day. After packaging, the roast chickens enter the logistics and distribution phase, which is just as critical as cooking. The sealed packs are placed in temperature-controlled cold rooms where they are stored at specific degrees to prevent bacterial growth and maintain taste. From there, refrigerated trucks transport the roast chickens to different regions, sometimes within hours of production. During transportation, digital tracking systems monitor temperature, humidity, and delivery time to ensure food safety standards are never broken. Once the products reach supermarkets or restaurant chains, they are either kept in heated display units for immediate sale or stored in chilled sections for later reheating. Many outlets use specialized ovens to reheat the chickens without drying out the meat, keeping the skin crispy and the inside tender. Unsold chickens are removed within a fixed time to maintain quality control, while sales data is sent back to factories to adjust daily production volumes. This tightly controlled system allows factories to meet massive daily demand while reducing waste and ensuring customers receive fresh, safe, and flavorful roast chicken every time. In modern roast chicken factories, automation and quality control play a huge role in handling millions of birds every day. High-speed conveyor systems move chickens from one stage to another without human touch, reducing contamination risks. Quality control cameras and AI-powered scanners inspect each chicken for color, texture, and proper roasting, instantly rejecting any product that does not meet standards. Samples from every batch are tested in on-site laboratories for bacteria, moisture levels, and seasoning accuracy. Strict hygiene protocols are followed by workers, including protective clothing, sanitization tunnels, and frequent equipment cleaning using steam and food-grade chemicals. Waste materials such as feathers, bones, and excess fat are not thrown away. Instead, they are processed into animal feed, fertilizers, or biofuel, making the operation more sustainable. The factory also reuses heat energy from ovens and water from cleaning processes through filtration systems to reduce costs and environmental impact. This combination of technology, safety, and efficiency is what allows roast chicken factories to operate non-stop, producing massive quantities while maintaining consistent taste, safety, and quality across every single chicken. Behind the impressive speed and scale of roast chicken factories, there is intense pressure to meet daily production targets. These factories often run 24/7 shifts, with machines operating non-stop and workers rotating in strict schedules to keep the line moving. Even a few minutes of delay can affect thousands of chickens, so every second is carefully timed. To extend shelf life, factories rely on precise temperature control and vacuum or modified atmosphere packaging rather than artificial preservatives, which many people don't realize. Flavor consistency is achieved through computer-controlled marinades, meaning the same taste is reproduced across millions of chickens regardless of location. Factories also track consumer preferences using sales data, adjusting spice levels, chicken sizes, and roasting styles for different markets. While the scale may look shocking, government food authorities regularly audit these facilities, checking hygiene, animal welfare, and safety records. This industrial system, often hidden from consumers, is what makes it possible for roast chicken to be cheap, widely available, and identical in taste every single day across stores worldwide. Large-scale roast chicken factories are not just food operations. They are massive industrial ecosystems designed for speed, consistency, and profit. Every stage is calculated to reduce cost per chicken while maintaining a uniform look and taste. Chickens are sourced through long-term contracts with poultry farms, allowing factories to control feed quality, growth rate, and delivery schedules months in advance. Advanced software predicts daily demand using historical sales, weather, holidays, and local events, ensuring production lines prepare exactly the right number of birds. Inside the factory, robotic arms load and unload chickens into ovens, reducing human labor and increasing precision. The roasting ovens themselves are engineering marvels, some stretching the length of a bus, capable of cooking thousands of chickens per hour using circulating heat and rotating racks for perfect browning. Worker safety is tightly regulated due to the fast-moving machinery and high temperatures. Employees are trained to operate specific stations, with emergency shut-off systems placed throughout the line. Regular drills prepare staff for power failures or equipment breakdowns so production losses remain minimal. The factories also manage public perception carefully. Many offer controlled tours or release edited footage showing only the cleanest stages of production, while more intense processes remain unseen. On the consumer side, roast chicken has become a strategic product for supermarkets, often sold at low profit or even a loss to attract customers into stores. Once inside, buyers typically purchase side dishes, drinks, and sauces, making up the profit elsewhere. This is why roast chickens are placed near store entrances and kept visually appealing under warm lighting. The result is a system where industrial efficiency, psychology, and logistics work together seamlessly. What looks like a simple roasted bird on a shelf is actually the final output of a complex, high-pressure machine that never sleeps, producing millions of identical roast chickens every single day. To keep such a massive roast chicken operation running smoothly, factories focus heavily on efficiency and waste control. Any small mistake, like incorrect oven temperature or uneven seasoning, can affect thousands of chickens at once, so constant monitoring is essential. Machines are calibrated several times a day, and supervisors check random samples to ensure taste, texture, and appearance remain consistent. Energy usage is also carefully managed. Factories use insulated ovens and smart power systems to reduce fuel consumption while maintaining high output. Water used for cleaning is filtered and reused where possible, helping lower environmental impact. At the same time, strict hygiene rules are enforced, with workers regularly changing gloves and tools to avoid cross-contamination. All these systems working together allow factories to produce roast chicken at an unbelievable scale while keeping costs low and quality stable. Something most consumers never think about when picking up a ready-to-eat chicken from the shelf.